Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Portmore JUTC depot. And I want to ask you guys a question. Why is the Portmore depot the only depot that can fuel CNG buses? No, the other main depots in Jamaica, they don't have the facilities to fuel a CNG bus. Now, Jamaica has 125 CNG buses and more on the way. But so far, no plans have been put in place to build the facilities to fuel these buses at the other depots. And it costs $20,000 to fuel a CNG bus versus 1,000 to fuel a diesel bus. So it is clear that it's more cost effective to use CNG buses. The JUTC said they will save $1.8 billion by using the 100 CNG buses versus using 100 diesel buses. So the CNG buses are definitely the way of the future. Cost effective and they work. But only the Portmore depot can fuel them. Now, what the JUTC or the government did is 100 new buses that came in, and we're looking at some of them now. They were all sent to the Portmore depot, and the diesel buses that were at the Portmore depot were sent to other depots around the country. For instance, Montego Bay Metro got 12 of the diesel buses that were here at Portmore. But I just find it odd that only one depot can use CNG, can fuel the CNG buses. I would think they would have put plans in motion to build the capability to fuel CNG buses at all the depots. Now, Jamaica is adding 146 buses to the JUTC fleet in 2025. But only 70 of those buses will be CNG. The rest will be diesel buses. And again, we have to ask the question, why didn't they bring in 100 more CNG buses? They're bringing in 100 new buses, 70 CNG, 30 diesel. And then they're going to refurbish 46 buses that were diesel, that are diesel. So only 70 new CNG buses are coming in and 30 new diesel. But I think if the other depots had the capability to fuel these CNG buses, they would have brought in 100 CNG buses. So I'm asking you guys a question. Why don't they put in the facilities to fuel CNG buses at all of the depots? I just can't figure it out. And I think the CNG facility at Portmore is done by New Fortress Energy. And if memory serves me correct, I think they expanded the capability here when 100 buses were coming in. And I think New Fortress paid the cost of the expansion. If anybody can remember the details, leave a comment in the section below. We'll check it out and give you an update in a future video. But I'm asking you guys, why don't they put in the facility to fuel these buses, CNG buses, in all the JUTC depots? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.